Okay, well, we've talked about it in other videos and other places, but we're just going to lay it out in this Chapter 7 bankruptcy process overview video. Property that you own that go into the bankruptcy estate can come out of the bankruptcy estate and are yours to keep if they're an exempt asset under Arizona law. Now, you declare your exemptions on Form or Schedule C of your bankruptcy paperwork, and your attorney's office can help you do that. If you don't claim the asset is exempt, it won't be considered exempt, and the trustee can take it even if it were otherwise protected under state law. So you need to be very careful. If something is claimed as exempt, you attend your meeting of creditors. The trustee has a chance to examine you and ask you questions and look at your case. The trustee's office has 30 days from the date that your meeting of creditors is adjourned or is completed to file an objection to your claimed exemption. If they don't object within a reasonable period of time or the statutory period of time, then, or the period of time under the rules, I should say, then you're able to keep that property. It's yours to keep. Now, the judges aren't going to allow us to do something that's overly aggressive. We can't claim an exemption in a $360,000 Maserati. Incidentally, if you have a $360,000 Maserati that's free and clear, you're probably not talking to me about a bankruptcy proceeding. But they are not going to allow us to try to trick the trustee or trap the trustee by claiming an unreasonable exemption and hoping the trustee just fails to do their job right. The trustee would be able to come back and say, no, this isn't fair, Your Honor. The bankruptcy court is still a court of equity. The judge has the authority to say, okay, I understand the trustee missed the deadline, but this was a little bit too aggressive on behalf of the debtor or the debtor's attorney. With regard to exemptions, if you've claimed it as exempt, if the period of time to object to the exemption transpires, then you're able to use that property as you wish. Remember that when it comes to exemptions, you're limited to what the state statute allows or what the federal law would allow if the state statute doesn't apply in your case.